evening. I'm Tanushree Ramesh and welcome to the Evening Updates. The General Directorate of Traffic has launched a campaign aimed at promoting road safety. The 4-day campaign, which kicked off today, is being held under the theme "In a Second," marking the annual Traffic Week. The General Directorate of Traffic said that the event would be through social media resources to promote precautionary measures against COVID-19. The celebration will include a painting exhibition of artworks of children who are dedicated to promoting traffic awareness. The Directorate launched a daily contest worth BD 1000 via 3 radio shows at Bahrain Radio. The Hindi radio channel will organize many programs and competitions and host traffic officers to enhance awareness about traffic safety. Bahrain Airport Company, the operator and managing body of Bahrain International Airport, reaffirmed its commitment to female empowerment as it celebrated this year's International Women's Day. To mark the occasion, the airport community extended its warm wishes to Her Royal Highness Princess Sabika bint Ibrahim Al Khalifa, wife of His Majesty King Hamad and Supreme Council for Women President. Bahrain Airport Company also commended the Supreme Council for Women's efforts to ensure Bahraini women are trained for leadership roles and wished the organization success in carrying out its mandate. Bahrain Airport Company also expressed its pride in the active role Bahraini women play at Bahrain International Airport. Bahrain Airport Company frequently recognizes and celebrates the significant contributions its female team members have made in its overall success. At present, 15% of the company's 110 female team members hold leadership roles. Moreover, Bahrain Airport Company's recruitment and selection process enforces the principles of equal opportunity and the integration of women's needs to ensure that they have a chance to excel and realize their potential. President of the Sustainable Energy Authority, Dr. Abdul Hussain bin Ali Mirza, met remotely with Business Development Director at Petrofac, Robert Bruce. Dr. Mirza briefed him on the national plans for renewable energy and energy efficiency and the most prominent existing and future projects. He highlighted the importance of the initiatives and policies, including the 2 national plans in support of the Comprehensive National Development Plan of Bahrain. The meeting resulted in setting up a joint work team that includes experts and specialists from both sides to work on developing a plan within the framework of a cooperation agreement between Petrofac and the CEA. The GCC Supervisory Board of the Gulf Center for Disease Prevention and Control held its first meeting. Health Ministry Assistant Under Secretary for Public Health, Dr. Mariam Ibrahim Al-Hajri, chaired the session in the presence of the GCC Health Council Director General. Dr. Al-Hajri conveyed greetings from Health Minister Faika bint Saeed Al-Saleh and other senior officials. The council members thanked Dr. Al-Hajri for chairing the session. Gulf Center for Disease Prevention and Control was established following the Al-Ula GCC Summit, which was held in January 2021 to set up the coordination to combat COVID-19 pandemic and other epidemics. Bahrain yesterday registered 476 new cases of COVID-19 alongside 724 recoveries and 3 deaths. 2 Bahrainis, a man aged 83, a woman aged 59 and an expat man aged 54 died yesterday, taking the total deaths to 472. Of the new cases, 176 were expat workers, 281 contacts of active cases and 19 travel-related. Of the 6,359 active cases, 110 are receiving treatment and 61 are in critical condition. An additional 724 people recovered, taking the total recoveries to 119,771. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and stay updated with the news of Bahrain.